France, the land of beauties. France is a country located in Western Europe known for its rich history, culture and cuisine. It's famous for landmarks like the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre Museum, and its contributions to art, fashion and gastronomy. Certainly, France is known for its diverse regions, from the romantic streets of Paris to the picturesque vineyards of Bordeaux and the sunny beaches of the French Riviera. The country has a strong emphasis on art and has been home to famous artists like Claude Monet and Vincent van Gogh. French cuisine is renowned worldwide, with dishes like croissants, escargot, coq au vin, and its fine wines. The French Revolution in the late 18th century played a crucial role in shaping modern democratic principles. France is also a member of the European Union and has a rich cultural heritage. Is there anything specific you'd like to know about France? Here are a few more interesting facts about France. 1. Language. French is the official language of France, and it's spoken by the majority of the population. 2. Landmarks. France is home to numerous iconic landmarks, including the Palace of Versailles, Mont Saint-Michel, and the historic city of Paris. Fashion. Paris, the capital of France, is often considered the fashion capital of the world and is home to some of the most famous fashion houses and designers. 4. Wine and cheese. France is renowned for its wine and cheese. It's one of the world's leading wine producers, and the country's cheese varieties are extensive and delicious. 5. Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower in Paris is one of the most recognizable structures globally, and was built for the 1889 World's Fair. 6. French Revolution. The French Revolution, which began in 1789, was a pivotal moment in world history, leading to the rise of modern political ideologies. 7. UNESCO sites. France has numerous UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including the historic center of Avignon, the Loire Valley, and the Palace and Park of Versailles. 8. High-speed trains. France boasts an extensive high-speed rail network, including the famous train Grand Vitesse, which connects major cities. 9. Food culture. French cuisine is known for its culinary excellence, with a focus on fresh ingredients and classic dishes like ratatouille, crème brûlée, and bouillabaisse. 10. Cinema. France has made significant contributions to the world of cinema, with the Cannes Film Festival being one of the most prestigious film festivals globally. Nights in France can be enchanting. Whether you're exploring the vibrant nightlife of cities like Paris or enjoying the tranquility of the countryside in urban areas, you can experience lively cafes, restaurants, and entertainment venues. Paris, in particular, is famous for its illuminated landmarks at night, creating a magical atmosphere. In the countryside, especially in regions like Provence, you can enjoy stargazing in peaceful surroundings. Many regions in France have festivals, cultural events, and night markets that provide a unique experience after the sun sets. The City of Light comes alive at night, offering a variety of experiences for visitors and locals alike. Is there something specific you'd like to know about nights in France? Many cities and towns in France host night markets, where you can find local crafts, food, and live music. These markets are a great way to experience the local culture. Café culture. French café culture is renowned, and it's often in the evening that they are at their liveliest. Enjoy a coffee or a glass of wine at a sidewalk cafe and people watch. Festivals and events. France hosts numerous festivals and events throughout the year, many of which continue into the night. For example, the Festival d'Avignon is a famous theatre festival that includes evening performances, Stierks illuminations. Some of France's historic Stierks, like Stier de Chambord and Stier de Villeneuve, host evening illuminations, creating a fairy tale-like ambience nightlife. French cities have a vibrant nightlife scene, with clubs, bars, and music venues that cater to various tastes. La Mairie in Paris and the Old Port in Marseille are known for their nightlife. Countryside retreats. If you prefer a quieter experience, the French countryside offers peaceful nights. Stay in a charming rural bed and breakfast and enjoy the serenity of the night. Fireworks in some regions, especially during summer festivals and Bastille Day, July 14th, you can witness spectacular fireworks displays lighting up the night sky. Nights in France offer a diverse range of experiences, from cultural and historical. Tourism in France offers a diverse range of experiences that cater to a wide array of interests and preferences. Here is a description of tourism in France. France is a captivating tapestry of history, culture, and natural beauty that beckons travelers from around the world. Its cities, like the romantic Paris and vibrant Marseille, are brimming with iconic landmarks. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.